So, how to use DJ AI mode on Spotify. So, this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to just simply open your Spotify account or application, but you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Spotify, or let's just say the application is up to date. And another thing is that if you want to have this AI feature, you have to make sure also that you are upgraded to premium plan. So to start everything, like what I've mentioned earlier, you just have to go to your Google Play Store, type Spotify, and make sure that you have updated this application. So as you can see here, I need to click update and wait for a couple of seconds as it is updating. Okay, once done, all I have to do is to click open. Now, the thing is that I am not upgraded, or I am just using a basic version of Spotify. I did not upgrade to premium. But as you can see, if you're going to click this music and you are using premium plan, you can see that DJ AI mode on Spotify. You can simply see it here. But since, like, I have told you that I did not upgrade to premium, so I can see that here. So again, if you want this DJ AI mode feature, make sure your Spotify app is current. The AI DJ feature can only be used with the most recent Spotify app. And make sure also that you have premium subscription because only Spotify premium members can use the AI DJ feature. So how to use DJ AI mode on Spotify? You just have to navigate to the music feed tab of the home screen. You can then choose to either play the experience using the play button or save the feature to your music library using the plus icon. So actually, it's very easy. If you'd like to switch your theme at any time, you can tap on the circular blue icon to the bottom left of your screen to return to DJ and have him reselect music for you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.